These are the values we have taken. I have calculated 1 by t value as well as log base ER value I have calculated. So you will get here like in 4.5 point you will get here, and you will get these values into 10 to the power of minus 3. Common I have taken 10 to the power of minus 3 values I have taken common. Just you observe this. You will also get similar while you are doing the experiment. How to draw the graph? The first graph is given in the manual. So between t versus r, second graph 1 by t versus, so log base ER, t versus r graph. I will show you that how to draw, and I will use graph paper. Now I will take out here the graph paper. Now x-axis, what is the temperature? I will write it here, temperature. So x-axis temperature I will take out. Okay, so I'll use the pen, then okay, I'll write it here, temperature. Okay, temperature on x-axis. Now, so y-axis, what you have to take out? Resistance I have to take out. Now y-axis I'm going to take out resistance. On y-axis, temperature versus resistance I am taking. What is the maximum value you have? The starting value is we start with maybe 300 and we will go into 360. Means I start with here the starting value 300 I will start, and I'll going to end here at 360. I'll going to end here 360. Then how we are going to divide this unit charge? Maximum value is 360. Can I take out 310, 320, 330, 340, 350, 360? Okay, now here up to 310, 320, 330 means 305 I will take out. Can I take out 305? This is 305, means this value is 310. Okay, 315. Okay, 320, 325, 330, 335, then 340, then 345, so 350, 355. Okay, 360. Now I'm going to end here 360. So if you want to extend this, you are going to, otherwise you are, the scale you have to take out more you have to take out. That's your choice how you are going to take out. Okay, just you take out 3 now 5 I have taken, 2.5 the gap you have to take out. That's your choice. Okay, so immediately I am going to write here, when you are writing x-axis 1 unit is what? 1 unit I have taken 5, temperature means 5 kelvins I have taken. And one more thing I have to write here, x-axis origin, I haven't started here 0, so that's why I am writing x-axis origin I have to write. So origin I have started here with 300. Okay, that's why I am writing here 300 Kelvin. You have to say here you started 0 or not. If you are not started 0, you have to mention compulsory what is the x-axis origin. Similarly, I will go for y-axis. Y-axis, what you have? Y-axis R values you have. R values. So 1.4 means 1.4 into 100. Okay, point will go into 140. Is it correct? Check out once using the calculator. 1.4 into 100 value. So what you are getting? Answer 140. Is it correct? See that 140 you got. Right, correct? Now starting value is 140. Okay, starting value is 140. You will take out. Suppose I am going to take out 120. I will start with 120. Can I start 120? Okay, now ending point. Okay, 3 point here is 2.5 into 100. 250. 120 to 250. Now the scale will going to end here. Mark here 250 somewhere. Now how you are going to take out? 125. 55 you are going to take out. 130, 135, 140, 145, 150, 155, 160, 165, 170, 175, 180, 185, 190, 195, 200 and 200 and 200, 205, 210, 215, 220, 225, 230, 235, but we will go for up to 250 value. Okay, now I will go for 10. I am going to use 130, 140. Okay, 130 here I will take out. Okay, otherwise here you take out 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250. Okay, it's going to end here. I will take out here. The scale is 120, 130, 10, 10 I am going to increase. Okay, I'm 130, next 140, next 150, okay, next 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250 and 260. Okay, now I am going to end here 250 only. So that's I have taken here. Now points you take out, make it points. Now at 140, okay, temperature 353. Okay, how much? 140, 353. Okay, now 350 here we have. So now, so what is the minimum value? Minimum value will go for now. Minimum value is 323. Okay, 323. What is the value you will get? Okay, 323, 250 you got. Okay, right here. 323. See, 310, 315, 320, 325 means here you have 323. Okay, 323. What is the value you are getting? 228, 250 value you are getting. Okay, 250. I will check out 250 where you have 250 maximum value you have. Okay, now here here is the point I have to place out, first point. Next, what do you have to take out here? Next 328. Okay, I have to take out 220, correct? 328, 220, 325, 328, 328. Now 328. So I will go for 220, 328, 220. Okay, 328. I'll mark properly 220. So no, it's 220 here we have, right? Here you have. Now I'm going to mark this point. Clear? Now can I go for 3 here? 333, 330, 200, 333. Okay, 335, 320, 330, 331. 2 lines we consider 1. Why? Because by 5 we have 2 lines we consider 1. 23, 4. Here you have to 23, 320, 333 at 200. 333 at 200 means here you have the exact reading you have to take out. Okay. Next, I'll go for next one is you have 338, 170, 338, 170. Where is a 338? 338 means 4 lines. This is 338, 338 and 170 we have. Okay, 338, 170 somewhere I have here. Okay, here I have 170 right now. Next 343, 160, 343, yes, 1 2 3, 343, 160. So somewhere here we have 160. Next 348, 150, 348, 150, 348. Okay, 348, 150 I have to take out. Now here I have the point where I have to mark it here. Next I'll go for, so 353, last one. 353 is 140, 353 is 140, 355 you have, 353 is here, 353 and it is 140. Now you have, now roughly I am drawing here like this. Okay, leave some points, not a problem. Roughly I am drawing here like this. You will get the graph like that. Okay, so I will draw and I will show you. Okay, I have drawn like this. Okay, I'll leave you about this point. Okay, I am not taking, and I'll use this point. I'll connect maximum points. I'll going to connect. Okay, so for this one you have to draw the tangent. So how you are going to draw tangent? Suppose you are going for circle you have. Suppose you are drawing the tangent. You are drawing the tangent means it will going to touch only one point. Okay, so total curve data you are getting on one particular line. Similarly, I have to draw on one line. I'll show you that how to draw. Yeah, use my scale. Now I will use my scale, and I have drawn here. See that I have drawn. Slowly I am drawing here. See that how I have drawn. See how I have drawn here. Okay, it will pass from only the single point. See that here it is passing from single point. It will not going to touch any of the other graph. Now you have to practice it number of times. You will get like this. Okay, so where it will going to touch this point. Okay, I will extend like this side. Can I extend? Okay, I will extend this side. So slowly I will put and draw here. Okay, use this one. Exactly you have to draw, then exact values you will get. You see I have drawn here the line. Its line, it's reaches here nearly, it's 159. Its value is 159, means this value you have 159. So that value is called that R, capital R. Okay, in the formula, what you have, that formula alpha equals to 1 by R into delta R by delta T. Delta R by delta T you have. Now 1 by R value you got from here. Okay, now delta R means R2 minus R1 by T2 minus T1. How you are doing this R2 minus R1? I will show you. You will take out any one point at the top. So here I have taken convenient point. Here somewhere I have taken convenient point. Okay, so by using this I am going to draw here the lines on x and y axis. Now I have drawn here the on x from particular point to x and y axis. See that this value, that value is called that R2. Why? Because this y axis you have that, then it is called that R1, and similarly it is this one you take out T2, and this you have to take out T1. Okay, so R2 R1 you got values, T2 T1 you will get, and substitute here in the formula. Now I'll substitute and I'll show you the value. I have calculated here the value. Separate I have calculated this value. I have calculated this value. You will get 1 by 59. You will calculate it. Then I am going to calculate. Then you will get here minus 0.02515. You will get. Okay. So then Mr. Coefficient is nothing but alpha. Okay. So alpha is calculated, and I have to place in the result. Okay. This is so coefficient of resistance alpha. How much you got? 0.02515 per Kelvin I got. Okay, so the coefficient of resistance, how much resistance is increased, that factor you will use the coefficient of resistance is given. And from the second graph I will show you second graph also. You have to calculate A and B values. You are going to find out. First rule of your second graph is you have to start from the not at corner. From here you have to start, and the scale compulsory you have to take out from the 0. Okay, so now 1 by T versus and log base E R values you will take out. Now I'll start here 1 by T, and I'll multiply with here 10 to the power of minus 3. Why? Because it's common I have taken, and resistance here log base E R, so it is nothing but ln R. Okay, in calculator ln R, so I have taken on the y axis. So what is the minimum value, what is the maximum value? I'll check out. Minimum value for this is 2.83, and this is a 3.10. This means I'll have to scale up to maximum is 320. You take out 310 is there maximum. Now similarly here we have maximum value is 5.52 you have. So 6 up to 6 you take out value, not a problem. Maximum value. Can I divide here? The value is 3. Okay, 310, 320. I'll go for 320 means. So can I start here 0? Okay, now 320 means here I take out 25. Okay, 3.2 to 3.20. Okay, I will take out here 0.25, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 1.25, 1.5, 1.75, 2, 2.25, and 2.5, 3, 3.25. Okay, I think maximum value you got at 2.8, 2.25, 2.5. Okay, 2.8. Okay, now definitely you will get here. Then I'll start here. The 0.25 is a value, so 0.5 and I will go for 1, okay, 0.75, sorry, 0.75, and then 1, 1.25, and 1.5, and 1.75, and 2, 2.25, and okay, so now I got 2.5, and 2.75, and 3 I got 3.25 I got here. Okay, now the value will go for 2.8, no, 3.8, 3.95, 3.095, 3.095 means you'll get here also. Okay, not a problem. Now here up to maximum value 6, then I will divide. It is easy to divide. Okay, now 0.5 you take out, 1, 1.5. I have taken here the scale, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3 and 4, 3.54. Then immediately you go for the scale. Okay, x-axis 1 unit, x-axis 1 unit. Here no need to mention here the origin. Why? Because I have started with 0. So 0.25 is the gap. Then 0.25 what? 0.25 per Kelvin. No. Now here I have taken. Here I have taken. What is the gap? 0.5 is the gap. Y-axis 1 unit equals to. Okay, 0.5 I have taken. So log base R you have taken. So then I'll note down here the values. Then what you are getting at 2.8, 2.8, 4.94, 2.8 somewhere here. See that very nearer. 2.8 here we have. 2.8 here we have. At 2.8, so what you are getting the value? 2.8. So 4.94. So 2.8 I have got to 4.94 means here we have, okay, 4.94. This is the point where I have to note down. Next 2.87. Next value is 2.87. With 2.87 5.01. 2.87 means here somewhere here I got. So its value is 5.01. 5.01. So this is the point where very nearer. Okay, next I will go for 2.9. I got 5.01. 2.9. Okay, 2.9. Here I have the 2.9. So what is the value I have to take out? 5.07. So 5.07 I will take out. Say here I got. So here I got the point. Okay. Now similarly I will go for 2.958. Okay, into 2.958, 5.13, 2.598, 2.95, somewhere I have taken here the value. Here the value I have to take out. Next, okay, at 3 we have take out 5.29. At 3 I have taken, C3 I have taken 5.29. So I'll go for the 5 here. So this is your 5. I think 5 point. Now 5 point here somewhere I have take out. Here I have taken. Okay. So this is the points where I have taken. So last value also I have take out 3.9 5.52, 3.9 5.52, 3.9 310. This is 320. 3.9 somewhere I have take out value. Okay, 5.52 I have take out. 5.52 is this is on. Okay, this is the way you are getting the values. Now I have take out the line. I have to join. How to join the lines? So I'll use the scale. Okay, I will draw maximum points we're going to cover. And then I will draw up to this point. Okay, now your points will going together. Maximum points. See the maximum points we're going to cover on the scale. So I will extend up to negative cycle. Okay, I will extend up to negative cycle. So this is your it is now I have taken from the line here to here. You are getting -2 value. Then this is called log A value, and I will take out any 2 points on that. Suppose I have take out here 1 point. Any 2 points I have to take out, any here, and here I have to take out 2 points and to find out the slope. You know that how to find out the slope. This is y2, y1, x2 x1. This value is called b, and log a equals to, now you got here log a value is minus 2, and a value I calculate log inverse of minus 2. How to calculate inside the log inverse of minus 2? Then I'll go for the calculator. Then I have taken e power, I have to take out. So then I'll get here the value is 1 point, means this value I got 0.0135 a value I got. Similarly b value I will going to calculate. So in thousands I will get here. Okay, thousands will get here.